What's up, y'all? If you're just now tuning into this series, I am Tramika. I'm an ES futures trader with a background in Forex, 7 years of experience, and I am still inconsistent. So for the next 20 trading days in September, I'm documenting my trades and sticking to one set of rules without fail. This isn't about the profits or loss. It's about consistency and showing up every day following the same rules. I don't think that I've done that in my whole 7 years of trading. So I'm feeling really good about this. This is episode 3. Now today started off a little rocky because I was having some issues with my computer memory. So it starts off on my phone, but eventually we get the recording on the computer. Today was, I think it was $200 and something loss, which is fine. It was very choppy today, but nonetheless, I did stick to my rules. I'm happy with how I performed today. The loss is not bad at all. Usually, the old me, I would have taken about 5 more trades to try to get it back or whatever, but one and done, one trade, and yeah, I'm happy with my performance. So here is that video. All right, so the trade has been entered. Where you see 65.11 is where I entered at the break of my zone, which is that white box. So we're just in some profit right now. I wanted to see how I liked looking at it in points instead of the dollar amount. So you see the points up there right now.
Hands up high, hands up high, tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about.
So here I moved that pink line because we created a high. And right now I'm just looking for us to break that high so that I can add on another contract. So we break that high and we did go ahead and add on another contract. I moved my stop loss up a little bit below this low here.
I really want to know you off. I really want to show you off. Fuck that.
Okay, so I eventually got my computer to start back working. We'll get better tomorrow. But I'm just showing you how much is consolidated all morning and just kind of played around. Usually I'll be in and out. And that's the zone. Earlier this morning it did kind of break below a little bit, but then it wasn't enough momentum for one. For two, it was creating like equal lows. So that's why I didn't enter when it kind of braked a little bit below. Now we created another high, so I moved that line just so I can, visually know when to move my stop loss and mentally. So I went and changed it back to dollar instead of points because the points was kind of throwing me off. And I wanted to make sure I at least had my target goal there. I don't think the dollar amounts really bother me. Yeah, the dollar amounts don't really bother me. Just as long as I follow my process, it is what it is. So we got a little action up. I think overall, I was in profit at least like $250 something. And I was hoping that we would break, but we did not break. I'm not mad about the outcome because I did scale in as far as or reduce my risk with my stop loss. So it's cool. So yeah, we're right at that high and it's not wanting to break. And by this time it's been like, I want to say a good 30 minutes. So Yep, and then after that, it was a wrap. We just started dropping like crazy. Just started dropping. And we are out. Followed all the rules, so it's all good. I'm happy with my performance, like I said. So I like to go back in hindsight and look at it again just to make sure that I did everything the way that I needed to do it. And yeah, it was just a choppy day today, so nothing I could do about that. Followed all the rules. And I usually journal after this, so in my Google Sheets. Next video, I'll show you guys the spreadsheet that I have, but I'm about to go take a walk. And this is me. I'm trying to get in my content bag a little bit. I just played around with my drone at the park for a little while. See y'all in the next video.